Today, I'm going to answer one of the most asked questions out there, not just in my DMs, but in the internet in general. Is selling on Amazon FBA still worth in 2022? So stay tuned, we're gonna dive right in. Welcome to my channel, my name is Silvia. I'm an Amazon seller. I've been selling on Amazon since 2017 and doing this full-time since 2018. Amazon has changed my life, and now I help other online sellers and brands to be on Amazon, scale fast without overwhelm and without making expensive mistakes. Is Amazon FBA is still worth doing in 2022? Yes and no. The opportunity is still absolutely insane. You need the right mindset. Without the right mindset, you won't be able to succeed in 2022. Now, I will never ever tell you that selling on Amazon is easy. I'm telling you, it's absolutely worth it. Is it for everyone? No, it's not for everyone. There are so many differences between when I started back in 2017 and nowadays, because of course, Amazon is one of the most fast-paced changing platforms out there, and because of this it's also one of the best platforms and where most of the opportunities are at the moment. I've been listening to the train has gone since 2017. The train has not gone just yet. Does it make Amazon super easier than what it was in 2017? Today, there is a huge difference. It doesn't matter if you want to do this part-time or full-time. Are you an amateur or are you a professional? Because if you come in with the amatorial kind of mindset, there is no way you're gonna succeed in 2022, my opinion. If you want this to become a side gig, if you want this to become a full-time job that will replace your 9 to 5, either ways, you need to commit. What do I mean with commit? You need to have a proper lion attitude. It doesn't matter which side of the business we are talking about. It can be product research, it can be admin. You need to have the lion attitude. Don't give up. Never victimize yourself. Amazon did this to me. Yes, that competitor tanked the price. I get it, but with the victim mindset, you won't be able to succeed. You need to go in with the troubleshooting mindset. Anything that is gonna come your way, you need to find a solution. There is always a solution for everything, but you being underground. There are things you can control and things that's gonna happen to you and your account you cannot control. Don't waste your energy. It happened to me, it has been very painful, and if I can make your life easier, like always, that's my advice. Is this still worth being doing in 2022 come from? It comes from fear. It comes from your fear to just commit. Because when you go all in, and I don't mean go all in with all your bank account, but go all in with your mindset, with your heart, with your passion, with your determination and focus. When you announce that you're going all in, the fear of failing in front of everybody, there is no such a thing as failure. There is just a learning process. It's up to you how painful you want this learning process to be. So of course, if you get yourself the right mentor, it will save you years, will save you a lot of expensive mistakes. It's gonna be so much easier for you to get to those 10K in a month. Back in 2017, yes, there were less competitors, less price tankers, there were less products, but there were also less customers. A lot of people starting with the victim mindset don't realize Amazon has too many competitors. Yes, 2017, it didn't have all these customers, all these repeating customers, all these Prime subscription customers. When you ask me, is it saturated? I will tell you yes and no. If you just look for random products to sell under generic as a brand, you compete directly against the person in China who actually sold you the same product. Just upload a random photo that you will get from their website. That's when I will tell you that there are products that are absolutely not worth your time. Competition can be fearless. Niches that are way more competitive than other niches. Does it mean that the opportunities not there? No, there are more price tankers and not expert sellers that will tank the price or lower the price. You get in a competition war. A lot of sellers that are not playing the game as they should, not getting punished by Amazon, but sometimes rewarded. You need to treat it as a business. You need to go all in with the mindset of a business owner. If you want this to become a 6-figure, 7-figure business, approach it with a 6-figure, 7-figure mindset. If you want to scale and you're serious about that, and then you ask me, shall I pay for the subscription? Hell yes! You don't need to know it all, but you need to get started. It's absolutely stupid to be a gambler on Amazon. You need to do product research, proper product research, because that's when your mistakes can happen. Is it worth for me to go in charity shops and grab a used puzzle and put it on Amazon? Scale from there. It might take you a long time, if not a suspension. You truly need invoices. In 2017, you could again take a used puzzle from a charity shop and sell it on Amazon, make a lot of money, knowing that your account is safe and it will be safe. You could have bought a random Nivea cream in whatever place and sell it and having no issues. Now it's not like that. You risk suspension. Watch YouTube videos of 2017 on how to do things and think this is still valuable. I'm sorry to break the news down to you. If you expect that Amazon works exactly like in 2017 and that's why you're watching those tutorials, you are totally wrong. Find yourself a proper mentor. Don't go all in with money you cannot afford to lose. Just to recap, is selling on Amazon still worth in 2022? Absolutely. Is it oversaturated? Some items. Is it overcompetitive? Some niches. The platform is not oversaturated. I'm offering a free strategic consultation called 30 minutes of my time. As every business at the beginning, it needs your time, it needs your energy, it needs your commitment. We also offer the done for you that is a proper investment. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell and share. I hope you found this video inspiring and helpful in some ways, or entertaining at least. Let me know in the comment. Do you actually sell on Amazon? Have you reached your first 10K month? How is it going? I see you in the next one.